This is going to be pretty unpopular. I think FDA approval actually matters. A lot of people are just throwing the FDA approval thing out the door and getting black market steroids, black market testosterone, taking their health in their own hands, which I think is good. You're out there trying to research and find out what you can do, but you have to remember that compounds that people are using, and they're using them on their own and sometimes without adequate study, they can actually harm themselves and create conditions or situations that might be hard to reverse. My first degree was pharmacy. I'm a clinical pharmacist. I believe that we need to show safety for the things that we're putting in our body. Do we need to refine FDA approval? Do we think that what's happening today through the Department of Health and Human Services, along with the FDA, working together to look at more of a how do we start to address a wellness market? In the past, FDA is going, this drug is approved for this disease. Well, why peptides and other compounds, small molecules, are being utilized for the most part is how do I stay healthy? Well, there isn't a how do I stay healthy category for the FDA. It's treatment of disease. So I think we're in an evolving process of being able to really get into that second phase of oversight, which is let's start talking about how we utilize compounds for the maintenance of health. What had happened in the past is people started trying to apply drug therapy to wellness, and I don't think that worked very well. Follow the rules, keep guidance in place so that things are being made appropriately. And it's not just, FDA approval, it's more about FDA oversight, for example, on raw materials, peptides that are made in manufacturing facilities that have FDA approval, and that there's enough oversight to make sure that those are safe and their finished product is good, and that there's, good oversight, visits to the various, compounding facilities, as well as visits to the various manufacturers to say, hey, you're doing it right. You're doing it safe. We've got this category, compounding and FDA approved drugs. Both of them can coexist in the world, but we do need to have some way when you're putting things in your body that there's some oversight so that consumer safety is in mind.